Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Okta Verify mobile app, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Okta Verify mobile app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, tap to open the app. You will be prompted to enter your organization's Okta URL. Input the URL provided by your organization. After entering the URL, tap Next to proceed. Next, you will see the sign-in screen. Here, enter your work email address. After inputting your email, click Next. Now, enter your password in the designated field. If you have enabled multi-factor authentication, you may need to approve a notification. Check your registered device for a push notification from Okta. Open the notification and tap to approve the sign-in request. If you don't receive a notification, you can use a verification code instead. Switch back to the Okta Verify app and tap Show QR code to get your verification code. Enter this code in the sign-in window of your working device. Once everything is complete, you will be logged into your Okta account. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into the Okta Verify mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.